In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make deep fake live video call on your phone. So a lot of people are looking for method on how to create live video call on their phone without using their system. So I'm going to be showing you how to do that in this video. So the first thing you need to do is smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos like this. So I'll be dropping some tutorials right now about video calls and how to change your voice and all. So subscribe if you don't want to miss that. So the first thing you need to do is head over to your app store and you need to download this app. So I'm going to be putting the app link in the description down below also. You just search for xpression. Once you search for xpression, you need to download this first app. So this app also can work for live deep video call, but it is paid. But this xpression is totally for free. So I'll be showing you how to use it in this video. Just download this app and you need to click on open. Once you click on open, they are going to tell you to accept some permission. So just accept all the permission and you are going to see something like this. So they have some pictures of people that you can use. So they have some default pictures that you can use, but you can make use of photos on your phone or just use celebrities. So you can search for celebrity right here. You can search for Donald Trump and you are going to see some of his photos that you can use. So yes, you are going to see some of his photos that you can use for the deep video call. So I'm going to explain it to you how you can use it in this video. So let me cancel this. So let me just make use of a photo on my phone. So I'm going to be making use of this photo. Once you import the photo, you need to wait for a few seconds for the app to load the photo. So guys, can you see it is now working? So all you need to do is find another phone because you need two phones for this. So just find another phone and you can be using it to make the video call now. So I'll be dropping a tutorial soon on how to change your voice also, but this is how to change your to make fake video call. So guys, can you see you can smile and you can do different things and it's going to be showing with the face that you import. Guys, can you see it's very easy to do. So if you have any question about this, just drop it in the comments down below. I'm going to explain it to you, and if you want me to make another video about this, just tell me in the comments down below. So you can use different photos for this. Yes, can you see? You can blink your eyes and you can also see it's very easy to use and it is completely for free. So you can use different pictures. Due to copyright, I won't be using a lot of pictures. So can you see? Due to copyright, I won't be using a lot of pictures at all. So make sure the place you are using this video call is bright. So if the place is bright enough, it's going to make a lot of sense. So make sure the place you are using is very bright and your face is showing. So guys, can you see? It is very easy to use. So you can make use of any photos. So guys, can you see? You can shake your head too and you'll be able to do different things. So I'm going to be dropping more videos on this later on. Just find another phone and be using it to record the screen of this phone that you are making the video call on. So you can get the app on your Play Store too and Apple App Store. So if you have any question about this, drop them in the comments down below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, guys.